Thank you for watching another UPCI Music Ministry video on YouTube. If you like this video, hit the thumbs up. Also, make sure to subscribe to our channel in order to get the latest content videos and tutorials.
A flat minor, walk it up, C sharp minor 7, B, F sharp, open up, flat minor, F sharp over B flat, there's a music chord right here. Goes to C sharp minor, B, F sharp, and then it'll go to E major. It'll break. It'll go. There's a little line that goes before the chorus. It's F sharp, A flat, B, C sharp, E flat. So. And when you hit that E flat, you can also play the B chord. So let's take it from there. So C sharp minor, B, F sharp, E, there's the cut, the line. Then chorus again. B, A flat minor, cut, F sharp, E, plays the chorus again, the B, A flat minor, F sharp, flat minor, F sharp, so right here changes the style. Nice. You can still keep those padding chords. You can still pad it like that, or you can change the style to match more with the rhythm. So I'll show you what that's like. So we could do. So what that is just the same chord, just a little different rhythm to it. So ba, 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 ba. And then it takes it to the outro.